Individual, how long it could take to repair your credit?
So so you're asking me how long does it take to fix credit?
Yeah.
That's different for every single person.
Okay, just based off how much damage has been done.
Factually. The 90 days where that comes in line is every single client that I work with for my business, I give them a 100-point warranty in the first 90 days. So if I can't increase your credit scores by 100 points in 90 days, I will give you the option to exit your contract. I'm not just gonna sit there and bill my clients if they can't see results, right?
Awesome.
And we're really damn good. Like on average in 60 to 90 days, our clients see an average of 100 to 150 point increase.